Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you will not miss a future video. Welcome to the channel, The Tech Piano Player Kid. A black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille. What is up, everyone? The Tech Piano Player Kid here. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use the NFC tagging on the BlindShell Classic 2. Now in part 1, where I reviewed and showed what's in the box and everything, I probably didn't show you the back, this little bag thing. I'm not going to show the bag again because, well, it's kind of hard to put in the frame because they're kind of small. There are 3 little stick-on things, if you call them. And I didn't know what those were. Well, turns out they are for the NFC tagging. So you can mark stuff in your household or something like that. So they come with 3 in the box already. At least it did for me. And what they feel like, they're round stickers with adhesive tape on the other side. And I'd say they're probably maybe about 1 inch or 1.5 inches in diameter, maybe a little less. So the way it works is you can stick it onto something. I would probably label it first and then put it on, then stick it on there. So why would you want to do the NFC tagging? Well, maybe you could label something like that. You could use it, maybe have some household stuff, or maybe some cables or whatever you may have, and you just want to mark them something with something simple. You can do that. So let's go and do this. So I'm going to unlock the phone here.
12:37 p.m.
And I'm going to go to
Call. Volume. Messages.
There we go. Turn it up a little bit.
Contacts. Applications.
We're going to go to Applications.
Internet browser. Tools. Communication. Media. Books. Games. Vision aids.
Go to Vision Aids.
Be My Eyes.
And
Toybox. NFC object tagging.
NFC object tagging. That is hard to say. Let's go ahead and click on that.
Toybox.
Whoops.
NFC object tagging. Read tags.
So we have read tags,
Add tag.
add tag,
Tags list.
tags list,
Read tag.
and that's it.
Tags
So we
list.
go to tags list,
No item.
no
Tags
item.
list. NFC object tagging. Toybox.
Whoops.
Read tag. Add tag.
So we're going to go to add tag.
Approach the tag to the back of your phone.
So you actually want to touch the tag with your phone.
This tag is not used yet.
There we go.
Add tag description. Type object description.
Okay, so we have these options here. It says it's not in use yet, so we have
Type object description.
type object description
Record object description.
or record object description.
Type object description.
So whatever works for you, but I'm going to
Record object
record.
description.
We'll do one record and one without. So I'm going to record this. I'm going to hold the phone away from my mouth because this microphone is so sensitive and the speaker is excruciating loud. So here we go.
Record a short description now.
Test tag 1.
Description saved. Approach the tag to the back of your phone.
Okay, there we go. I'm going to exit.
Add tag. Tags list. Read tag.
I'm going to go read tag,
Approach the tag to the back of your phone.
and it should get this. Test tag 1. There we go.
This tag is not used yet. Add tag description.
Okay,
Type object description.
so we'll add tag description,
Description.
and I'll use my dictation here, and I'll call it test tag 2.
Text tag 2. Space. 2. Space. G. A. T. Space. T.
Okay, there we go.
Description saved. Approach the tag to the back of your phone.
Now, what happens if I try to reuse this?
This tag is already saved in list. Add tag.
So it says I can't reuse it because it's already saved in the list. Let's try this one.
Add tag. Approach the tag to the back of your phone. This tag is already saved in list.
Okay,
Add
so
tag.
those 2 won't work because they're already added. So now, let's say
NFC object tagging.
I come to something here, I come to 2 objects. I ask myself, okay, what are these things? I can go to the NFC tagging,
NFC of read tags.
read tags,
Approach the tag to the back of your phone.
and it says approach the tag on the back of your phone. Test tag 1. And there we go, test tag 1. And then I ask myself, okay, what's this other one here? Oh,
Approach the tag to the back
yeah,
of your
I
phone.
have to go back. Now I can do it.
Text tag 2.
I'll do it again here. You probably didn't hear that.
Approach the tag to the back of your phone. Text tag 2.
There we go. So we have those two. I don't know why the other one's not working. I find that's very weird. So if you want to delete this tag, so let's say I want to delete, let me get back in here.
Read tags. Approach the tag to the
I'm just
back
going to
of your
pick a
phone.
random one here. This one,
Text tag 2.
text tag 2, I can go
Approach the tag to the back of your add tag. Tags list.
tags list,
Recorded description 1.
test tag 1. So here we go.
Text tag 2. Edit description.
I can edit description
Delete tag.
and delete
Can we
tag.
delete this tag?
Yes.
Deleted. Recorded description 1.
Test tag 1. Now let's say I don't like that. Let's say I want to change it. I can do this.
Edit description.
Edit description.
Type object description.
And again, I can change it to type object description. So that means I can just have a description typed out or
Record object description.
record object description. So either way will work, but I'm going to do another recording.
Record a short description now.
Pancake mix.
Description saved.
So
Edit
I just made
description.
something up here. So
Recorded description 1.
pancake mix. So, oh, that was loud.
Tags list. Read tag.
So read
Approach the
tag.
tag to the back
It
of
should
your phone.
it should work.
This tag is not used yet.
Oop.
Add tag description.
Wrong
Type
one.
object description.
So let's try the other one again.
Approach the tag to the back of your phone.
Pancake mix. There we go. It's changed, and that's how it works. So very cool little gadgets to use for NFC tagging. I've never got the experience to use them, but now I know how it works. It's pretty cool. So that's it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, you can send an email to info@TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com. Please note that the email may go in the junk or spam folder when I reply. You can also give a call or text me at 913-312-1325. If you do not live in the United States, you can give a call or text through WhatsApp using the same phone number. You can also follow me on Facebook and like my Facebook page, The Tech Piano Player Kid, and follow me on Twitter, Tech_Piano. Everything is down below in the description. And with that in mind, I'll see you all later in the next video. God bless you all, and peace. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out. Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications and leave a comment down below. For questions, please send an email to info@TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com. You can also give a call or text at 913-312-1325. And don't forget to like my Facebook page, The Tech Piano Player Kid, and follow me on Twitter, Tech_Piano. Black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille, then fades to black.